Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and it's been a bit long time actually because I was not able to do any video on something special. So actually I have talked with someone, so probably I'll be able to do some cool videos within this next upcoming week. But for now I'll just show you what I got from Amazon recently. So, as you might have read the title, this is a book haul which took place, and as you all know that the Amazon Great Indian Sale is going on right now due to Navratri reasons. So, I just got these books, thinking that it's very cheap. So, let me do the unboxing if you ask me. So, I got a small blade here, quite rusty. So, the package, as usual in Amazon, is always the best according to me, and I always received the books in a very good way, if you ask. So I got a book. It's written national bestseller. Sorry for the pronunciation. So whatever books I have got right now here are all national bestsellers. National, not international. So all these are national bestsellers, and during other times they will be a bit costlier. I got it for cheap. Like this book, Her Last Wish, wrote by Ajay K. Pandey. So this is a 175 rupees book. I got it for 80 rupees. You won't believe it. 80. Can you imagine? So let me. And the best part in Amazon is this. You get a bookmark, and this is the best part. Getting a bookmark, you can understand. I guess all the books which I have till now, in the upper section I have cars, down I have the books, and all the books I have received a bookmark with it. I have a collection also, maybe I'll show you here. The Amazon bookmark collection, if you ask me. So these many bookmarks, so truly great. Another added to the list, if you ask me. So we'll just close it. And the next book I have over here is another national bestseller of Sadhguru. I have already nearly 6 books of Sadhguru. In some other video I'll show you. I didn't go to do a video on this stuff because my channel is based on vlogging and car views. So I just thought of doing this to give information to the people that you can buy good and nice books, that too new books, for a very cheaper price. And this book, I guess the MRP is 250. I got it for around 100 maybe. So that's the advantage of buying it in Amazon comparatively to nothing else. Just keep it down. Next I'll just open this up. Let me check what other books are there in this. So the thing is, as I told you, uh, since I am a Prime member of Amazon, I usually get these offers a bit quicker, but I actually didn't go to order so fast. As you all know that you cannot say, because sometimes the offers will be like, even we have a shop and we know how discounts are done. Earlier there will be something like we keep a high margin and people buy it. Later on, when the product gets old or a bit old fashioned, we give it for a lesser price. So in these cases also, maybe it's the same way it's done. So it's a way of selling something here and there in India especially. So I don't know about your places how it works. So all these books I have received it from Cloudtail Sailors, I guess. So they have kept a very less margin for all the books. So the thing is, I ordered all of these books separately and I'm receiving it together. This is the advantage of a Prime member, and that too, the order was done 2 days back, and just look at the speed of the delivery. And again, as I told you, a bookmark. So I will keep these books too over here to show you how many I have got actually. No longer need the blade. And, okay, I'll just tell you what and all books I have. Here I have six books, 3 plus 3, and according to the bill, I have saved a lot of money. That is 800 rupees I have saved in all these books together. So this is another book that is from Preeti Shanay. And Sadhgurus, I forgot to say, this is a book on emotion and relationship. So it's a two-in-one book. I have another two-in-one book that is about mind, and mind is your power and the body is another. So that book also is good. And if you don't know, I'm actually a bit of book enthusiast and a reader also. I have read a lot of books, like not too much, a couple of books. Maybe I have around 80, 90 books in total. I have just started prior to the lockdown. So, and back in my school days, I used to read, but in PUCs, it was difficult to get hold of books. So this is a 100 rupees book from Preeti Shanay. 200 rupees book MRP from Preeti Shanay, When Love Came Calling. So all Preeti Shanay books are really based on your true love, then what is the motto of life and all that stuff, and about some girls, maybe about life maybe. I have four other books on Preeti Shanay, and this is the fifth book. So I'm a true fan of Preeti Shanay, and she belongs to my caste also, if you ask me like that. And then the most awaited book for me in my life, the Ravan. This is the trilogy of Amish Chandra's uh, Ram edition. So it's called the Sikon of something, and that book, I guess I have read it 3 years back from now, and it's, yeah, truly bad. Sita had read it like 2 years back. This book is there in the market from a long time, but never ordered it, never bought it. And if you ask me, this book is bit in a messy condition. I can see some uneven molds on the top of the book. So it's for a cheaper price, so you can understand. This is a 400 rupees book, and you won't believe how much I got it for. Yes, I got it for 140 rupees. Just imagine, 400 rupees book, you get it for 140. Then, since I am a fan of APJ Abdul Kalam, I have also got this book. Apart from this book, I have another two books, I guess. One is Wings of Fire in Kannada, and another is Governance for Growth in India. So that is a very good book, if you ask me. I just read it yesterday, and that's why, yesterday, and I got this book also. And this is again a bestseller. All these books are bestseller, apart from this. Okay, even this. Yeah, all the books are bestsellers, like I told you. And this book MRP is 250. I got it for 150, I guess. And then I have Gaur Gopal Das. So you should check in YouTube for Gaur Gopal Das. He's a complete motivational speaker. A complete motivational speaker. I truly like him a lot, and would like to meet him in person, because he's one of the best according to me. This 250 rupees book, I got it not for much less price actually. I maybe 200. There was no offer on that. I just got it for reading purposes, and anyways, I had to get so many books, so I got this also. Then I have another best. This is international seller. So I didn't check this out. I got an international seller maybe. So and this is also bestseller. So that I'll just keep this a bit side. So Eat That Frog. Apart from this book, there's one more book actually. I don't remember what the name of that was, and this is the third edition of this book, and it's quite thin, and it is very cheap. It's written 250 rupees. I got it for I guess 80 rupees or 100 rupees, maybe that less. You won't believe. And the rudest book ever. So you can get this in hardcover also, I guess. And this book is written by Brian Tracy, whereas APJ Abdul Kalam and Gaur Gopal Das, as it's written by them only. And Shwetab Gangwar is the writer of this, if I pronounced it right. So this is a 300 rupees book. I got it for 150. I guess the only book here was not cheap for me was this book. I paid like almost, I got only 40-50 rupees of discount, nothing much. The main discount which I got was for this book, and I'm happy even the molds, if it's there on the book, I'm happy for that, because you can't expect getting something good at such a less price, if you ask me, and it's truly good. This 400 rupees books, and each, I guess in total I have got a discount of rupees 800, and upon that, the thing is, this total, all these books costed me around rupees 1100, I guess, and that's what I saved a lot. If you ask me, truly I saved a lot of money. So I'm happy for that, and I also recommend you to read all these books. The all the list of these books, the names will be put here on the right hand side, or I can say, okay, the right hand side or the left hand side, any side. And apart from this, all the books, I'm gonna give you a description about where to purchase them in Amazon, and hopefully you will also get offers, because these days, till Navratri ends, I guess there will be a lot of offers, and apart from this, in Diwali time also you'll get a lot of offers. So I had ordered only 8 books, because I could save only 1200 in the past 6 months. So if I'm able to save more money, probably I'll get more books, and on that I may not do a video. This video is specially done for the book enthusiasts who think about getting books. So please, please, please do buy books, read, and get more knowledge on what you have to do, because these books sometimes help you in a direction which you may not know that you may go in, and so motivation is something which everyone requires. All have problems in this world. So please do read books, and until next time, I will bring up something crazy and special, that is for sure. So until next time, please, please, please do watch my videos, like, share, and comment, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon which is at the side, and you will like my videos further on. So until next time.